Okay, let's just get right into it. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're unpacking a topic that is so incredibly common, yet almost no one talks about it openly. We're talking about male intimacy fatigue. We spend a ton of time discussing specific dysfunctions, but what about just being completely wiped out? I'm talking about that intense, draining weakness that hits during or right after intimacy. If you've ever felt totally depleted when you're supposed to be performing at your absolute peak, you are definitely not alone. Our source material today dives into some fascinating 100% natural dietary fixes that can literally rebuild your stamina from the ground up, using stuff you can probably find in your kitchen right now.
Now, this data point really jumped out at me from the research. 80%. Even with social dynamics shifting, men still carry about 80% of the physical pressure to perform during intimate moments. It's a massive physical workout. So listen, if you're feeling drained, your experience is entirely valid. The physical demand on your body is just intense. And if your nutrition isn't totally dialed in to support that exact type of exertion, well, your energy levels are going to crash hard. Here's our game plan for today's Explainer. First, we'll look at the intimacy fatigue problem itself. Then, foods for long-term stamina, the power of Shilajit, quick fixes for instant energy, and finally, the energy saboteurs.
All right, Section 1. The intimacy fatigue problem, understanding the pressure. While it's true that women are initiating relationships a bit more these days, just under 40% of the time, the actual physical heavy lifting still heavily falls on the guys. The climax phase requires incredibly high physical friction, fast movement, and intense excitement. And if a man hits a physical bottleneck of pure exhaustion, it leads to massive disappointment. We absolutely need to fix this. To actually solve this, the source material breaks things down into two distinct buckets: long-term energy and instant energy. Think of long-term energy as your daily foundation, what you eat every single day to keep your baseline vitality high, even if you're battling underlying stuff like thyroid issues or diabetes. Instant energy, on the flip side, is your emergency toolkit. It's for that specific moment when you're completely exhausted from a long day, but your partner is initiating things and you need a boost right that second.
So let's build that foundation. Section 2. Foods for long-term stamina. These are the everyday, simple habits you've got to build into your routine so your body isn't just constantly running on empty.
The sources lay out 3 absolute essentials for your next grocery run. First up, dry fruits. You don't need a massive bowl of them. Just a handful a day does the trick. They're loaded with the healthy fats and proteins your body desperately needs to function normally. Second, dairy. Milk, yogurt, curd, whatever you prefer. You need dairy in your daily diet to keep that energy sustained. And finally, pomegranate and folic acid. I really want to pause on this last one, because the research here is a huge eye-opener.
This part of the research totally shattered a massive misconception for me. When we hear folic acid or iron deficiency, we almost instantly think of women, mostly because of menstrual cycles and pregnancy. But listen, iron deficiency is absolutely not just a female problem. When a man's body is low on iron, the immediate result is severe, debilitating fatigue. You're just going to feel constantly wiped out. Making sure your diet is rich in folic acid and iron is basically non-negotiable if you want to shake that weak, tired feeling.
And that brings us to what's called the pomegranate effect. Guys, pomegranate is essentially a stamina superfood. If you add this into your daily routine, it goes to work incredibly fast. It naturally boosts your testosterone, it directly tackles that iron deficiency we just talked about, helps out with erection issues, and naturally ramps up your libido. It is literally an all-in-one natural fix. Just a quick heads up from the source material though, if you overdo it, it might cause a little constipation, so, enjoy it, but maybe don't house 3 whole pomegranates in one sitting. You could also just supplement with iron directly if that's easier for you.
All right, moving into Section 3, the power of Shilajit, the so-called miracle supplement. If pomegranate is a superfood, this next one is just in a whole different league for men wanting a long-term, natural stamina boost without having to rely on heavy prescription meds.
I was honestly blown away by this number. 85 plus. That is the number of essential minerals packed into this one single natural herb. The nutritional density is just off the charts. It specifically contains these iron components that literally supercharge your body's ability to create energy and build lasting stamina.
So the real magic is actually what's inside it, specifically a compound called fulvic acid. This stuff is incredibly beneficial for the male body. When you pair this fulvic acid with that rich iron content we just mentioned, you get a natural powerhouse that optimizes your entire system. It literally helps put the brakes on the aging process while naturally driving up your libido. It's fixing that fatigue right down at the cellular level. And the best part? It's surprisingly easy to take. No complicated routines here. You can grab it in liquid, resin, capsule, or powder form. Liquid is usually the easiest with zero hassle. You just take a very small amount, you really don't need much at all, and mix it thoroughly into warm milk. If milk isn't your thing, warm water works perfectly fine too. Drink that regularly, and over the long haul, the research shows a massive spike in your baseline energy and stamina.
Okay, Section 4, quick fixes for instant energy. When you need it now. So what happens when it's the end of a long day, you're dead tired, but you need a boost right this very minute? Let's crack open the emergency playbook.
Here is your instant energy strategy, and it totally depends on the clock. If it's daytime and you need a fast boost, grab an apple or a banana. Why? Because they're packed with natural fructose. It's a natural sugar that hits your system and creates an immediate, rapid spike in energy, perfectly prepping your body for physical exertion. But if it's nighttime, which is when most of us actually need this boost, you want to reach for dark chocolate and dates. Keep them in the fridge. Just, maybe don't let the kids find your secret stash. Dark chocolate and dates have natural properties that rapidly boost your immediate energy, but without that heavy, sluggish feeling that other late-night snacks give you.
Bringing us to Section 5. The energy saboteurs. What to avoid. Because look, all these amazing foods and supplements won't do a thing if you're actively destroying your energy behind the scenes. Meet the absolute villains of our explainer today. Artificial sugars and processed foods. We're talking cakes, pastries, and especially those super popular cold drinks. Think Coca-Cola and all the other sodas flooding the market. You might think they're giving you a quick sugar rush, but what they're actually doing to your body's natural stamina is completely devastating.
When you're downing artificial sweeteners and processed junk, they literally slow down your body's natural functioning. Your internal systems get sluggish, which directly causes that extreme fatigue you've been desperately trying to cure. Beyond just ruining your intimate life, they spike your cholesterol like crazy. And the source material even points out that the heavy artificial chemicals in some of these drinks carry severe long-term risks, up to and including potential cancer risks. It's really bad news. This quote from the source material really just sums it all up. Stop it now to get the benefits later. If you're a guy in your 30s right now, you might feel like you can still get away with a bad diet, but trust me, the damage is compounding. If you want real, natural energy, and you want your stamina to stay high as you age, you have got to cut out the processed junk right now to protect your body's natural systems. So, we've covered a ton of ground today. From the sheer physical toll of intimacy, to building up long-term stamina with dairy, pomegranate, and shilajit, all the way to instant fixes like bananas and dark chocolate. But hey, information is completely useless without action. So here is my question for you. Are you going to keep letting a bad diet drain your vitality, or is tonight the night you finally reach for the dark chocolate instead of the soda? The science is clear, but the choice is yours. Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.